Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I enjoy cuisines from all over the world and obviously Italian is one of them. Delicious pasta dish and flavorful sauces with great seasoning. Sometimes though, pasta can be omitted and instead the stuffing turns into being the dish itself. Here's a favorite of mine. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my gnudi, also known as Malfatti. It's like gnocchi, but instead of being made with potato, it's a combination of ricotta and spinach, along with other fresh ingredients. It's an easy recipe packed with so many flavors. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll add ricotta cheese that has been drained. If you're not too sure how to do that, click on the top right corner of your screen. Now we'll add chopped spinach, some pressed garlic, Grana Padano cheese, a couple beaten eggs, fresh chopped chives, a little bit of lemon zest, freshly grated nutmeg, not a lot though, a small pinch of ground sea salt, and of course, freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix our ingredients until very well combined. Next, we'll scoop up some spinach mixture, about 1½ tablespoons, and roll it to form a ball. Then we'll roll it in the flour, making sure it's well coated. Shake off some excess flour and place it on a baking sheet covered with semolina. If you don't have any at home, cover with flour instead. When we're done rolling, we'll move on to the stove. Working in batches, we'll carefully drop the gnudi into a large pot of salted boiling water. We'll cook them for 2 to 3 minutes or until they float to the surface, which is an indication that they're ready. We'll scoop them up with a slotted spoon and transfer them to a baking sheet while we prepare the serving bowls. We'll spoon in some marinara sauce before adding 5 gnudi per bowl. Then we'll sprinkle on some Grana Padano cheese and garnish with chopped Italian parsley. And that's it. We're done. And my friends, these are our gnudi, also known as Malfatti. If you never had these before, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how tasty they are. Very quick to make, this is a delicious meal to serve anytime. This flavorful Italian dish will surely become a family favorite. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amount and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!